Counter steering. I am pulling right to turn left. Dito, I'm gonna push right to go right. Man, dito push right. Wait, dito, itong malaki to. Push right to go right. Ayun, oh. Ang lalim agad ng pasok sa corner. Very responsive. Madali yung nasa likod natin. Open sesame, hey. So again, counter steering, if you want to go left, you have to push forward sa left handlebar like this. There you go. O kaya naman, you want to pull right on the right handlebar. So ganun din naman yun eh. Pareho lang yun. Now if I want to go right, I will push right forward on the right handlebar, or I will pull on the left handlebar. It's the same thing. And it feels so good. So again, counter steering, if you want to go left, push forward on the left handlebar. If you want to go right, push forward on the right handlebar. Yun lang, ganun lang siya kasimple yung paliwanag nun. In my case, may kanya-kanya tayong technique. If I want to go left, sa halip na pushing on the left handlebar, I pull on the right. So parang ganun din yun. Push left, pull right. If I want to go right, I will push right or pull left. Okay. Yeah. Mini jump. Ganda ng araw. Ang sarap ng init ng araw.